So I'm here with my friend Patricia Srigley. Say hello.
Hi.
And we're going to be experimenting with paint pouring. Patricia's done a lot of this stuff, so she's going to teach me how to do it. Let's go.
We're going to thin the paint with this.
Okay.
Most people will use Floetrol.
Okay.
But you can't buy Floetrol in Canada.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But I have seen other flow mediums in.
Yeah, I do use a different one. How do you say it? Zissorol? It's
okay.
Z-I-S-S-O-R or something like that.
Okay.
I do use that one. But I think when I was buying, they were out of it.
Oh,
so
okay.
I thought I'd try this. So it's again I have used it, but a long time ago when I was. Now I don't remember.
Yeah, because they have pouring medium in the stores.
Yeah, but again, it's very expensive.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So this is trying to get a cheaper way to do it.
And it works just as well.
Nice.
Yeah. And yeah, if you can get Floetrol, that's great.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. But again, you want it thinner than that.
Yeah.
You want it to flow.
Okay.
So we'll put a bit more.
A little more. Yeah, you've done a lot of trial and error with this.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to insert some pictures of Patricia's work.
Oh, some of my nice finished ones.
Amazing.
Okay,
oh,
see?
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So Patricia's doing a little bit of gold because they look nice with metallic, and we have our basic colors: black, blue, sort of a magenta, one that looks like almost a fluorescent orange, and the gold.
There. Because I want my paint pour to form cells, silicone oil works.
Yeah.
And also hair products work, like coconut oil. Yeah, and silicone oil.
Where do you get that?
This I got at the art store.
Okay.
They sell it at the art store.
Cool. Well, let's go for the hair product.
All right.
Yeah.
Don't put in too much.
Okay.
Like about 3 drops, maybe 1, 2. Ooh, that poured a bit. 3.
Yeah.
Because these are small cups, so 3 drops should be fine. Those are really small drops, so I'm doing maybe 4.
This reminds me of making giant bubbles where you add glycerin.
Okay.
So would glycerin work with this?
I've never heard that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I bought it only to make those ginormous bubbles, which are fun.
Yeah. So we'll just don't over stir the oil in.
Okay.
Just enough to mix. And we don't put any in the white base.
Okay, not in the gesso.
No.
Cool. I'm just going to use the medium. Oh, you're putting it right in the pot?
Because, yeah.
Okay.
There's room, so.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah. And give it a shake.
There you go. Shake it, shake it. Nice. Oh, I just noticed your t-shirt. Is that your website?
Yep.
Oh,
it's my paint
good
shirt.
Advertising. Nice. Fill up the canvas with the gesso and spread it around. And hope it's going to do the bubbly reaction we're going to see.
There's a lot of bubbles in this.
Oh, yeah?
So.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
That's a bad thing.
Oh, man.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, what have you got? Is that a blowtorch?
Yeah, it's my little torch.
Should I be afraid? Okay, got the torch going and we're getting rid of those bubbles.
There. So it's just cups I've cut the bottom out of.
Nice.
So I'm gonna, gonna put this down here in the white. Okay. So I'm gonna gently pour some in here. And I think I like to put a few little drops around so if the white doesn't disappear.
Nice.
Yeah, and then I'll do the blue.
Okay.
Blue. Maybe put a few more little drops around here. Let's see what the gold does on there.
So you usually put little drops around too?
Sometimes there's, yeah. Let's see what the black does.
Did you put black inside?
A little. Maybe I'll
Okay.
put a drop more there. All right. So, and I can go into the middle a bit there. I want.
Colors are nice.
It's not selling.
Maybe it's the hair product.
No, I've used it before.
Really?
Yep. Works very well.
Maybe the humidity. Pretty.
Still quite dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get a. See this white corner? You can use a straw.
Okay, cool. Ooh. That's neat. Please don't hyperventilate.
Oh, no, it's just little breaths. See, we got a few little spotty cells there
Okay.
and there, but yeah. Drop in here.
Kind of reminds me of encaustic
Yeah.
with the melted
Oh,
wax.
yeah. And so we can stretch some of these. You know, we like except for a little bit of it, we didn't really get much.
So strange.
Well, maybe we'll try the next one with the silicone oil, but I've used
Yeah.
that hair product many times and it's worked. Well, we'll use the torch.
Get the torch.
Ready? There, we're going to get some cells now.
Oh, so the heat helps.
Yeah.
A lot.
Sometimes it does it without, sometimes it doesn't.
Okay, so there's the magic. Holy moly, that's amazing. That is magic.
You don't want to do
Psychedelic.
too much.
Wow, that's amazing.
Got some cells.
So take 3, we're going to put silicone in the paint instead of the hair product, and we'll see if it makes a difference. But are you also going to mix it with the other paints, or are you just going to do silicone?
No, I'll try these.
So I guess people do it both ways, with the cups and without.
Oh, there's, like I said, there's infinite ways. Yeah, you can pour over objects. You can.
Yeah, I thought about that would be cool.
It is, especially if it's something like with holes in it. That's the. Oh, that was the black, not the navy. Oops.
Oh.
It's okay. Now we'll see the difference.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna pour lines. Now the navy. Stop there. All right, so now I'm gonna get saran wrap and drag.
Oh, cool.
Hopefully.
Ooh. It's starting to form some bubbles.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a heart.
Oh.
Oh, it looks like a wave or something. Ended up being really white.
I do like the white because we'll see what happens once I torch it.
Right. Let's pull down that area there. It's really pretty. You really need the torch, huh?
Just because you often put these on the wall without frames, you want the edges to look like the paint has gone all around them.
Cool. Yeah. We're going to try another technique.
Yeah. So I'm going to pour white here across, sort of there. Let's try some. Maybe a bit of black in the middle of the gold. I'm going to pour my colors into a funnel. And start with blue.
So you're just holding the end?
I am. Normally I would plug it with masking tape.
Oh, yes.
But the masking tape is missing.
That happens.
It does. Some white. And let's try some of these colors that didn't work before. Some of this nice purple.
Quinacridone, or however you pronounce it.
I don't know. See if you look in the top there.
Ooh.
So I'm going to take my thumb off and run it along here.
Okay, you're just like on the surface there?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Oh, look at those cells.
Ooh.
Oh.
So you're just doing that at the top, or you could go?
I'm going to do a different one in the bottom.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's really pretty. We got cells.
Okay.
I'm going to move it a bit first.
That looks like avocado.
Okay, let's put the red.
Nice.
Yellow.
I love that blue.
I know. Where's my blue? Oh, there's the blue. Purple. Touch of black maybe? Let's be risky.
Dark on the bottom.
All right.
Okay. Let's do this. Ooh, those are pretty colors. Kind of looks like tie-dye.
I think we'll put some drops in there.
Okay.
Because that's pretty boring.
But you didn't put any white base at the bottom.
No, I didn't.
There's a lot going on in this one.
Yeah, this one's pretty psychedelic. I'm going to pull that there. I think I'm going to get my straw.
Do not inhale. That's cool. There's a few little bubbly things. I love those colors. So cool. I love the three like distinct color, you know, areas.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Wow, that's cool.
Get over here a bit without losing too much.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna bring some of this back. Some this way. Ooh, I actually like it right about now.
That's fun. Yeah, it's all about knowing when to stop, eh?
So I'm gonna torch it.
Okay.
And you can pick up, see all this paint that drips? Like you can fill the corner with some of that.
Oh yeah, that makes a big difference.
Yeah, and the
The
edges.
top too, there's a little bit.
Yeah.
So you leave some areas not torched? You go over the
Depends.
Wow. Holy moly. That
Whoa.
is psychedelic.
That's a psychedelic one.
Just recouping a canvas she made before, added paint at the bottom, and it's going to do a saran wrap drag. See how it goes. Looking cool so far.
Wow, that's a lot of paint.
So interesting that you could do that. And then you also did the one where you cut out the mermaid tail and glued it onto the canvas, which was, or sewed it onto the canvas, which was pretty awesome. It's like quilting.
Now,
Now get the blowtorch.
very dirty process.
Here comes the blowtorch. This is like when we set our alcohol inks on fire. I'll put a link to that video in the description.
We must be pyromaniacs.
Possibly. That's cool. Gives it a little more texture.
I'm getting a bit, yeah.
So here's one in Patricia's living room, and she just took several of the paint pours. She framed them all with mats, so they look really cool together.